Northstar water pump pulley the correct way. It's plastic, so it requires a special tool. So you got to make yourself some room. Get down to it. There's your pulley. Sometimes they got this little plastic end capped on. I recommend taking it off, push that down, grab your pulley parts. Pulley puller parts. This is what I use. Links are in the description for all the parts, tools, everything I've used in this video to do this job. So I install the puller on the metal collar in the center of the pulley. If you try it any other way, this will break it. It'll also break the end off the camshaft in some cases. Move your thing to tighten. This is a 1/2 inch 1200 foot-pound impact with a deep 13mm socket. That's all there is to it. Here's your pulley off. It'll also work on power steering pump pulleys with the same collar right there. So, hope you found this video informative and have a nice day.